Can trees protect us from floods? All around the world, people experience extreme weather, such as very hot days and very strong storms. In this experiment, we show how trees can protect us from floods and landslides. Vegetation, including trees, slow the movement of rainfall. Trees also absorb water from the soil, allowing greater infiltration into the soil and reducing surface runoff. When trees and vegetation are removed, surface runoff increases, saturating rivers and causing floods. We were able to see this in our experiment. When pouring water on soil without plants, simulating a day of heavy rain, the water washed away a lot of soil. The tree roots grab onto the soil like a big hug. They make the soil stay in place. On hills, roots anchor the soil together, making sure it doesn't slide down. How can we help? We can plant more trees and take care of the ones we have.